Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir. Magandang.
Please sit down. Class, don't forget your assignment tonight. Submit it tomorrow.
Yes, sir. Yes, I have a circle and I also have a house and before.
By the way, this morning we
Don't forget your chores.
I won't. Don't worry.
Good luck, Anna.
Kuya. Ma. Anna, do you remember the chores I gave you this morning? You have to wash the dishes and clean the table. Yes, Mom. I do it after I finish my assignment. Yes, I just need to finish this first.
Make sure don't forget your chores.
I want, Kuya. Anna, why didn't you do the chore that I gave you? I'm sorry, Mom. I forget. You always forgot. You are so responsible. I didn't mean to, Mom. I was tired because of my schoolwork. Being tired is not an excuse to forget your responsibilities.
Maybe she really didn't mean to forget.
Sir, working on assignment last night.
But she still had a responsibility to finish. I understand, Mom. I'm sorry. My mom is angry at me last night because I forget
Making one mistake happened.
You're right. I make a schedule so I won't forget my responsibilities. Stop na. Anna, I want to talk. I'm sorry I judged you too quickly. I should have asked why you forgot. I'm sorry too, Ma. I just should have finished my chores. If you have so much schoolwork, you can talk to me about it, okay? Yes, Mom. I also be more responsible next time.
See, problems are easier to solve when we talk.
And we don't have to get angry right away.
Remember, everyone, don't judge too quickly. Understand first before judging.